Why the hell am I fighting this guy? He is fat and he has makeup in his face.
Your boy made Ihomono mad. He's gonna get fucked up, bro, just saying.
Our prayers go out to Conor McGregor. May he rest. Sumo headbutt. Oh my God, Honda just made an Irish pancake.
It is time for your UFC fighters to meet some real street fighters, bruh.
You really think Chinley has a chance versus John Jones? John Jones doesn't seem to mind. She is a woman. Come on, stop the fight. She's gonna get hurt. Why the hell didn't Chinley want a referee?
Watch this, bro.
This is madness! She's like a goddamn Chinese attack helicopter with those legs! What the fuck was that? Chinese airport goes wild! Call an ambulance, but not for her! Wanna fix your hair, bud?
Wait, bruh. We have a video message from my girlfriend in Thailand.
Hi, baby. I'm here in Pattaya Beach, Thailand with my new husband, Sagat. Bye.
I'm gonna fuck up this Sagar. Send location.
Are you stupid? They told you they were in Pattaya Beach, Thailand.
Bruh, you don't marry another bro's girl, bruh. What are you gonna do about it?
Round one. Fight.
Holy shit, this guy can fight! I thought he was just a stupid meathead that said bra all the time!
Never mess with another man, woman, bruh.
Round two.
The footwork of a Russian ballerina and the power of America, baby! I'm about to cream in my pants! Bloodsport kickboxer and Karate Kid are back forever! American super kick!
Want some more, bruh?
Somebody give Sagan a body bag! Say goodbye to equality! Say goodbye to gender studies! The 80s are back, bruh!
I'm back, bruh. I gave Sagar a lesson in American manners, bruh. What's the next fight?
We have Conor McGregor versus Blanca.
What the hell are you? You look like an Elon Musk experiment. Who were your parents? A gorilla and a green bucket of paint.
And it looks like someone puked on your purple suit.
I don't have to take this shit from Mutant Boy!
Nobody insults Conor's wardrobe. Conor is taking this very personally. What the hell is Blanca doing? His head is wide open for attack. Oh, shit! I think Conor f***ed up now.
I love Blanco, bro. I can charge my iPhone in 2 seconds on his Brazilian back.
You're out of your mind. Where does she get that leg power from? This is insane. John Jones is really tasting the foot in this fight. Those legs don't look natural to me. She's like a goddamn Chinese attack helicopter with those legs.
Of course she's not natural. She trains in the Chinese team, bro. This is what Chinese pre-workout from 1975 will do to your leg power. Check this out, bruh.
Call the medics. Someone get that Asian woman off of John Jones now. She's going for the dragon kick. Bam! Like Jean-Claude Van Damme.
I played you in the game, bro. You were not 7 feet tall, 300 pounds then. You eating some Soviet vitamins? You look like He-Man from Wish. Hadouken!
It's time for real American power, bruh. Ken is here, and I'm not talking about that Barbie's girlfriend, bruh.
Oh, you can...
Conor's fine! I have never seen an uppercut like that in my entire life!
Round two. Fight.
Can't just kick Conor out like yesterday's trash! I want those Soviet Union vitamins now!
Any comments, Brock?
No.
Any comments, Zangief?
I must break him!
Are you ready for your USA Day test?
Now we have Brock Lesnar versus Putin's pool boy, bruh. It's Marika versus vodka, bruh.
The Giants go at it, and Brock Lesnar immediately takes the Russian to Suplex City. Look at that amazing power of Brock Lesnar. Oh my God! Brock Lesnar just throws Zangilik out like a sack of shit.
Round 2.
You're insane in the brain if you don't send Brock Lesnar to the Ukraine. That is my UFC poem. The beast is back in town.
USA! 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 USA!
Putin is not going to be happy about this performance by the Russian. Oh my God, Brock is going for the sack of shit throw again.
Are you ready for your USA test?
Is that Baluk? Looks like your barber should be fired. What is that, the African-American pyramid haircut? You look like Mike Tyson from Wish.
Baluk, what are your predictions for the fight?
Prediction. Pain.
Well, Baldock is a man of few words and few brain cells. Damn, I'm funny, bruh. I should have been a comedian like you, Joe, but I'm better.
Connor is using his face to tank those vicious shots from Balrog. Oh my God! Balrog just sent Connor back to Ireland. This is like watching Mike Tyson back in the 80s.
Are we there yet? Are you trying to outshine me? I am the king of fabulous Conor McGregor. I bet you are really pretty, like a girl. And what are those nail extensions you have on your hand? Is it Pride Month already?
Vega, the pretty boy from Spain, starts his ceremony with rewarding a ring girl with his jacket. This guy truly is fabulous. Styling and profiling in the UFC.
What the hell are you doing, pretty boy?
I was going to ask him the same question. All right, here we go. Well, it seems our pretty boy is slaughtering your pretty boy Guile. Why the hell is he climbing that cage all the time?
I guess our pretty boy beat your pretty boy.
I'm thirsty. Thank you.
It is time for our Indian hero, Dalsim.
Cormier is trying to get close to Dalsim. Dalsim is the master of distance. And yeah, this is hilarious. And Cormier thought John Jones had long arms. This is like the MC Hammer song. You can't touch this.
Bro, I feel bad for Dalsim. He must have such a pathetic bench press with those long arms. It's time for Pearl Harbor in the UFC, bruh. Japanese Ruku is here.
I am sick and tired of this supernatural bullshit.
Now it's time for the bonus round.
He has 20 seconds to destroy that car. Time is running out. I don't think he's going to make it.
Brew, stop being so negative.